Yeah. Genghis Khan, roll with an angry mob that's firing shots. Not a Hollywood prop, we smoking up hot from the guy with the locks in the medicine shop. If you wanna know about my whereabouts, party at the warehouse, film another ratchet chick flick, Paramount, Fahrenheit 51, burning up paper, whole shit down like a cruise ship anchor. Pissed off, let the pistol blow. Diddy in the club, let the crystal flow. Slow motherfuckers like escargot, sleeping on me must be narco. Left dick, yo, exes, sending me titty flicks to the text like if I give you D, would you give me weed and the keys to your whip? She like Woodstock every day, man, I can't stop. Got drugs in my chucks and my huff socks. Party with the bitches at the bus stop. Why not? Loud motherfuckers at the 20 vo. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Now you're cool. Half baked and I'm looking for the oracle, bitch. Trying to find the answers just like you. I'm just like you, but I got a whip and a chick plus two. We the role models that you look up to. Fuck high school, just get mushrooms. Confucius and cow shit, that's awesome. Money stretched like Dawson. My gang is full of bosses. Hey, where you from? I'm Genghis Khan, ho. Hey, where you from? I'm Genghis Khan, ho. Hey, where you from? I'm Genghis Khan, ho. I'm Genghis Khan. I'm Genghis Khan. Mustache is a must-have if you wanna rule like a king. Gotta look like one, drink like one, smoke like one. Be ready for a little bit of fist fight fun. Knockout punch with a roundhouse kick. Shoes off, motherfucker, bow down, bitch. Shitty flows go where the outhouse is. Chicken powwow, got your girl down for sex. Alpha male, I'm rolling up L's as big as Fidel cigars, ho. Triple the skills, I'm tipping the scales. Korean Abdul-Jabbar, ho. Don't piss me off, got a gift from God. Came up poor late, Mr. Rob. Me and yo hood is different, dog. Yo, Mr. Rogers, I'm city of God. 24K, go switch blades. AK-47 war paint face. Better obey, no weak pace. Gotta pick a side like the OJ case. Lord of the Flies, where the wild things are. Saw the big brawl at the Fox Hills Mall. Stain on your shirt like barbecue sauce. Blood from your jaw being cracked by Con. You know the name, yeah, motherfuckers, you know the name. Can't spell Genghis without the gang. We take prisoners, fuck your chain. I bang hoes, I'm bankroll pursuing. But roll up, low youngin', and you better know what you're doing. I said, hey, where you from?